Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ben Hockman here over at Hockman Fabrication and Speed. I'm just over in the office here right now, setting up some of our new merchandise for wintertime. We've got our hoodies and our beanie hats because it is getting cold outside here. As you know, in some of the previous episodes, we had some warm weather. Well, that has come and gone, and it is now frigid outside. Poor Billy, he's just so cold whenever he walks in.
Freezing.
Nonetheless, I know you guys are anxiously awaiting for updates on this Tesla Evo. They're coming, don't worry. It's a long-term project, we can't be rushing it. And in the meantime, we've got other projects that need to get done through the shop. We recently had our first Honda Civic project in the shop, which was surprising given the fact that we work in a market that you would think Civics would be here quite often. Well, now that that door's open up, guess what's here? You betcha, another Honda Civic project. This one in particular is a customer that I know from just mutual acquaintances online, and we've traded some messages in the past. He contacted me because he was looking for some help with this hood exit that he's got on his car. Looks like he's got a nice precision turbo kit on the car, and I'm not exactly sure who made the hot parts kit because I believe he purchased it with the car, but the hood exit itself has a couple of different connections on it, both of which seem to be leaking. And the O2 sensors are pretty far away from the turbo. That combined with both of those leaks, he's not getting accurate readings from the O2 sensor. So the main reason for him in is to address that issue. And after reviewing the car in person, he and I discussed the scope of work and decided that it would be best to just go ahead and remake the hood exit altogether as opposed to trying to rectify this one. So that's what we're gonna do here today. I'm gonna have my man Billy take the lead on this development.
Yeah.
He's been really practicing a lot on his thin wall stainless. As you know, Billy is an expert welder and he's becoming quite the fabricator. So I figured this would be a good opportunity to help mentor him and also see him flourish. We want to empower him and see him become a full-fledged fabricator right by my side. So I think this is going to be a good opportunity for him and I to put our heads together and see what we can do. And I'm going to let him hold the torch and take the lead. So without further ado, let's get started. There it is. Billy knocked this one out for us. Honda Civic with a K series swap and a turbo setup on it. Now has custom Hockman Fab hood dump. One thing I don't think you guys got covered in the edited video before this was this bracket that we made on the back side in order to help keep it placed exactly where it is so that it comes through the hood perfectly. What do you think, Billy? You happy with how this came out?
I am. I'm very happy.
You did a good job, man. I'm proud of you. So this is now our second Honda that's come through for some custom exhaust. If you guys do need anything custom fabricated, do let us know. If you're new to the channel and it's the first episode that you've seen, feel free to hit like and subscribe with all notifications on. You never know what kind of vehicles we'll be working on in the shop next. We specialize in building high quality race cars and components that look as good as they perform. This is just one small example of what we do here. Be sure to tune into our channel for more info on the Tesla swapped Evo that we're working on. I know that's of interest to many of you, so if you're watching the channel, waiting patiently, those updates are coming. But other than that, I think that's all that's left to do is fire this one up and hear how it sounds before giving it to the customer so that they can take it home and enjoy it. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.